So I've obviously got one eye done. I'll do the other eye now on camera, and I'll do my face and I'll show you. So first, as always, I just brush up my brow hairs with a spoolie. Then I take Kaolin Brow Gel in the shade Cocoa on a brush. I'll show you the brush now. On this brush from AYU. It's just an angled brush. And then I just line underneath my brows. And I go all the way out to the end. And then I just brush the hairs down again with a spoolie. And just do the same on top. And then I just fill them in with whatever product's left on the brush. Sometimes I go back in for more product, so I just do this then at the front. I go in with the spoolie then again just to soften it all out. Brushing up and down and across until you're happy with it. I use this then eye primer from Essence to carve out my brows and to prime my eyes. I use this blank canvas concealer brush then just to carve them out. I just set it all in place then with a matte white or skin colour shadow. Just makes it easier to blend out shadows that you put on top of it. I'm using this yellow then for my transition shade. On this fluffy blending brush from Buff and Blend, it's a BB08. I just put it very lightly on my crease and blend it in circular motion. I bring some under my eye then as well. And blend it all together. The rest of the shadows I'm going to use then are from this palette from Makeup Revolution. It's the Neutrals versus the Neutrals palette, and I'm going to go in with this colour next. Just make sure you tap off any excess product on it. It's just a smaller blending brush from Blank Canvas, so you want to go a little bit under the crease and just blend it into the crease under the yellow shade and kind of into your eyelid and under your eye. And then I just take the brush I was using, the yellow on, and blend them together. I don't put any extra product on it, just so there's no harsh lines. Then I use this Vivid Baked highlighter from Makeup Revolution in Golden Lights on my lid. So you just want to put it on a flat brush like this and just pack it on. And then just put on more if you want. Don't worry about it going over onto the other colour, because you can blend it out again using the brush we used for the orange shade. Just kind of blend them together. Then using that same brush again, I'm going to just dip into this colour just a little bit and tap off the excess again. And just blend that into the outer third of the eye. Just barely tapping it now because I don't want it to be too dark. And under your eye as well. Then I take this brush again that I use for the yellow and just blend everything together again, because I don't want no harsh lines. But make sure that you're actually not blending the colours you put in, because you'll just ruin all your hard work, just like blending where the yellow shade was. And then I just put liquid eyeliner on off camera, because I can't do that on camera, and mascara. I'm just going to put this black gel pencil in my waterline and blend it out. I'll show you. I'm loving this foundation brush from AYU. It's just a round tap foundation brush, but it's brilliant. Make sure you always blend down onto your neck and your ears so that you look all the one colour. For my concealer, I'm actually going to use this one from Penneys. It was $1.50. You just click the bottom of it, put it on under your eyes and your nose. Cute. Then I'm going to take this yellow setting powder on a flat top brush and just tap off any excess again. And I'm just going to put it where I put the concealer to set it in place. And I get a little bit more of that product and just press it around my nose, my lips, places I get oily the most. Then I'm taking this contour shade on this Penneys contouring brush from Miss Lynn. The contouring is from Miss Lynn. And I'm going to tap off the excess. And then I'm going to just start from the top of my ear and come into about under the edge of my eye. And I'm going to just blend it out and up into my temple and across my hairline to make my forehead appear smaller, because I got a big ass forehead. And I'm just going to do the same on the other side. Then taking the same contour shade, I'm going to put it on my jawline to disguise my double chin, well, my triple chin, whatever. And bring it down. Just make sure you bring it down onto your neck, obviously. You don't want a white neck. Then using this blusher shade from the same palette and putting it on the apples of my cheeks. Then I use my MAC Fix Plus spray. Spray it a good bit away from me now, all over my face. Then my favourite bit is highlighter on a fan brush from Blank Canvas Cosmetics. And just put that on the highest points of your cheeks. And your nose, above your brow, your cupid's bow. Then using the nude Penneys lip liner to line my lips. And then this lipstick, matte lipstick from Penneys. That's the finished look. Well, no, actually, one second.